So I'm leaving some space on the top and I'm making one straight line in my drawing copy and another straight line below the scale. So I'll get, it's like a box shape. Can you see a box shape?
Ma'am, up and down.
It should look like this, a big box shape. After this, I am dividing this box shape into lot of square boxes. Just making some lines to make some square boxes inside this big box.
And what are we doing?
We are going to learn how to add water, how much water to add on our watercolor. So that's why I'm making a lot of boxes and we are going to learn about different shades of color using watercolor.
Ma'am, how many boxes?
A lot of boxes. Just draw how
Ma'am,
much
how
ever you
many?
can in your entire notebook. One straight line and then lot of boxes. So I'm leaving some space and I did a straight line. So again, basically I'm making the same big box again. This time there will be no square boxes inside it.
Ma'am, I'm finished.
Alright. Show me your paint set once.
Okay. This is my palette. This is my palette.
Alright, Ananya.
This is my watercolor cakes.
Okay.
And these are my watercolor tubes.
Okay. And then next we need a blue
What should
color.
I do?
You can use any color that is slightly dark, like blue, red, or green color. Use any color. Fine. Okay, your paint
Ma'am,
like this.
इसको इधर
ma'am, which blue should I use?
Anyone.
Ma'am, you only pick ma'am.
Okay, take the darker blue then.
This one.
Yeah. All right. Can we
Okay.
move to next step now? We need our painting palette.
This is sap green.
Out of these three
Ma'am, I
colors,
only have these watercolors, ma'am. What is that, ma'am?
these are colors. You can use either these kind of colors
I mean,
or the cake. This one.
yes.
This is a plate,
Chinese
just a normal plate where I take out colors. You can use any plate. Do you have a painting palette?
Yes.
Okay, so you
Ma'am, I
will
only
need
have
that.
these watercolors, ma'am.
Alright, that is fine. Okay, so I have this watercolor cake as well, right? If you are using watercolor cake, just dip your brush inside water. Okay, I'm
watercolor.
removing excess water from the brush by like putting the brush in the corner a little bit.
Ma'am, I'm using watercolor tube.
I'll tell you about the cake. One second. Let me start with the cake. So I have a dark blue color over here, right? I have put some water here and I'll brush on top of this like this. Okay,
Ma'am, dark blue.
round and round and round. Then add little bit more water and brush a little bit more. I got a lot of paint in my brush, right?
Ma'am,
I'll
I'm
put that on
using
my plate. And next, if you are using a watercolor tube, just take out very little bit of paint using your bruch from the tube. Very little bit, like this. Yes, like that. You can take out little bit more paint, Vedvika.
Okay. Ma'am, can I use this brush?
Yes, you can use a flat brush for this exercise. So there are two different types of brushes. We have a flat brush and we have a round brush. Can you understand the difference between these two?
Ma'am, see, this is round. Is this round brush?
So I'm
No,
not
you just
right. So I'm not using a round brush. I'm using a flat brush only for this exercise. I'm going to color the first box like this. Okay, I have just colored first box with this color. Don't add a lot of water. What we are going to do is first box is going to be dark for us. Then I'm going to dip my brush in water and then mix the paint with water a little bit more. So I'll get a little thinner paint. Now I made the paint little bit more thinner and using this paint, I'm going to color the next box. Okay, so the second box is little bit more lighter than the first one. Just keep making the paint more and more lighter. So I added one more drop of water in my paint now, and I'm going to color the third box.
ఇప్పుడు లైట్ కదా ఉండదు అనుకున్నా.
Ma'am, the paint is going out of the border.
It's fine. It's fine. We are just practicing now. Try to not make it move out of the water. Okay, keep adding water and keep filling the boxes till you reach the end.
Okay.
ఓకేనా? ఇంకా ఇంకా.
These are called different shades of the same paint. So from darker to lighter.
Yes, ma'am, yes, ma'am. Like there are many shades of pink message and blah blah.
Okay, and then one more drop of water. All
Ma'am,
right, very nice. All right, Anaisha, I want you to do the same exercise again. Below this box, this one box that we have, right? Create the same boxes again over here.
this is dark
And this time
blue.
use red paint
Let's
to
see
do the
full
same
colors ఉంది.
exercise.
What?
Did you finish the red color exercise, Anaisha?
Yes.
Show me. Look at how I remove water from my brush, okay? I'm mixing water and then from the corner of my plate, I'm removing excess paint like this. Understood?
Yes.
Okay, so that is how you should remove water. All right, give me 1 or 2 minutes and then we'll move to next exercise. I'll tell you how to do that. Everyone will do it together, all right?
Okay.
Okay, we need to clean our plate. If you have extra space in your plate, no need to clean. I'm going to clean my entire plate, remove all the paint for the next exercise. And we need clean water for next exercise. Otherwise, the color from the previous water will mix in our two colors.
Okay, ma'am.
See, my water has become a little bit purple because of mixing red and blue. I'm going to change water. Okay, I'm taking out more blue color in the same plate. Okay, now I have to do the same exercise, but this time I do not have the boxes. So how do we do that? So I should have enough water in my brush. I'll first make a square box like this using dark blue color.
Why, ma'am?
I'll tell you why. Okay, so first box I have made dark blue like this. Then I'll add little bit more water and thin my paint. Starting from the same place. I will not start from the end. And Aisha, are you looking at this? I'm not starting from here. For the next color, I'm starting from here. And I had added little bit more water this time, like this. Okay, this is my second box. Now the third box, again I am adding one drop of water. And I'm starting from here, the second box, where the second box ended. Okay. Now I'll take little bit more water and the fourth box. Like this, we have to create a gradient from beginning to end. Just follow the same method. It's just that this time we do not have a box. Remaining everything
Okay.
is same. Okay. At the end, it will look like a gradient.
And what is gradient?
Gradient is so when you have a lot of color on one side and gradually the color is changing on the other side or decreasing on the other side, that effect is called gradient.
Okay.
Um, Adya, can you see the gradient now?
Mama.
See from light to dark. This is gradient.
It has least little, so has much to little.
Okay, but you should do box by box. Okay, one box, second box, third box, like that. Don't take your brush from right to left. Otherwise, the gradient will not come properly. Understood?
Ma'am, I don't think my green is doing good. It's same color.
Yeah, it's same color. You
Mama,
have to do
change
it
my
again. Do
water
it
and
again.
come.
Adya, do it again.
Mama, change my water so blue.
Yeah.
Ma'am, like this?
Yes, but all of them should slightly become lighter and lighter. The first one should be more darker. Okay, keep adding water, Ritvika, it will be fine. Just keep adding water. Okay. The previous box should be darker than the next box, always. Okay. Okay, very nice, Anisha. We'll do one more exercise today. Just a second.
Yes.
For next exercise, we need a round brush.
This brush, ma'am.
Yes, it is round, right?
Number 10.
Yes, you can use that. We are going to do some flowers using this technique that we learned.
No.
Okay, for the next exercise, I need very thin red paint. Yeah? So I have very, very thin red color on my paint, and I am going to draw a petal like this from five sides. Two. Okay, I'm drawing five petals from all five sides.
Is this okay, ma'am?
Yes, it is okay.
Ma'am, what are we doing?
We are doing some flowers using the same technique that we learned in class today.
Ma'am, it's light or lightest?
It's like in middle,
Oh.
like somewhere around sixth, seventh number box.
I can't do properly.
Practice a little bit. I'm doing multiple flowers. I'm also practicing with you. I have done some flat petals on my paper. Okay, it's nice, Vedvika, but you need to make the paint more thin. Add more water to the paint. This is very, very thin paint.
Okay, ma'am.
And make five-sided petals, not four-sided petals. Okay, it will look better.
Ma'am, I finished.
Show me your flowers. Do you like your flowers?
Kind of.
That's nice. That's very nice. Okay, I'm moving to next step now. For the next step, I need the same color, but with little bit lesser water in it. So I'm taking out more color on my plate. Paint only on the bottom part of the flower. See, very randomly. Only on the bottom part,
Ma'am,
random.
it's never came like this.
All right, that's nice. On the bottom part of your petals, I'm just making one more petal-like shapes. And it is not perfect. Okay, next I'm taking a very thin brush.
Ma'am, lines are not coming properly.
We need to practice this. It will not happen at once. I have practiced many times. Okay, next I have taken brown color. Let me know when your petals are ready. And at the center of the flowers, I'm just making some random dots using brown color, using a very thin brush, some random dots at the center.
Wow, ma'am.
It is looking nice, right?
Yes. But I'm not there yet.
No problem, no problem. You know how to do it now.
Look, okay.
Okay, next I have taken little bit of black and on top of brown, only at the center, I'm doing little bit of black and my flowers are ready.
This is for mine.
That's very nice, Anaisha. Very nice. Okay, mummy, that is very nice. Anaisha, that's it for today's class. Your homework is to practice these flowers using five different colors.
Okay, ma'am.
Ma'am. Sorry.
Yeah, very nice.
Ma'am.
Now it's looking nice, right? Heshita, practice more. Okay.
Ma'am, I'm not getting how to draw the flowers. Ma'am, see ma'am, how bad it's coming.
Take little bit more flowers. Sorry, more water, Adya, and use a little fatter brush. All right, then I'll see you tomorrow. Bye, bye, everyone.
Ma'am,
And
me and
don't,
Auntie
don't
will
forget to send me picture of your artworks.
Okay.
Bye.